when you get a letter, that's the best part. I mean, I got a letter over Christmas, not this year, but last year, from a friend who, and her son, on behalf of her and her son, and I could see where he had touched the letter with his hands. He maybe had like Cheetos or some type of chip on it, and I could smell her. I could smell her on the page, and that's like a big deal. And I'm like 2,000 miles away. Computers are really impersonal, and with typewriters, you have to sit down and think about what you want to say. I restore typewriters. It evolved when someone came in and said, "Hey, I have a typewriter. Do you mind taking a look at mine? And how much would you charge for that?" And it had never occurred to me. It never occurred to me that I could make money off of it. I mean, I thought it was something that was a dead art, to say the least. I'm about maybe 9 feet, 9 feet in 9 feet in the air over the door, with a window that faces Mission Street. If you look up when you walk in and walk 5 feet and turn around and look up, and there I am. I love typewriters. I do love typewriters. It's one of my favorite machines in the world.